Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Sign into Gamma, create a new Gamma, and choose a presentation template sized 16, 9 for screen viewing. Use the template browser to filter by topic or style and preview slides before selecting. Click Create to open the editor and immediately rename the file with a clear title. Adjust sharing permissions in the top right and invite collaborators by email so they can edit or comment. This initial setup saves time and keeps your deck consistent across contributors. Start building slides by dragging blocks from the right-hand toolkit and dropping text, images, charts, or video into your canvas in one click. Apply layout presets to maintain consistent spacing, typography, and alignment across slides. Presets speed up formatting and keep slide weight balanced. For each slide, add speaker notes in the Notes panel below to store cues, data points, and transitions. Use the Duplicate Slide function to iterate quickly, and the Replace Image control to swap visuals without breaking layouts. When you are ready, click Present to enter full screen mode and use Presenter View so your speaker notes remain private while the audience sees slides. For remote sharing, copy the shareable link and set access to view, comment, or edit depending on the audience. This ensures the right collaborators can interact. Export options include PDF or PNG files for offline distribution, and you can download a high-resolution image for printing. Control team collaboration in real time by adjusting permissions and responding to comments in the sidebar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.